Well, hi there. Welcome to Searching for the Dream. I have another boat for us. All right, this one is a 1981 CNC Landfall 35. It's a 35 footer. All right, let's look at this. Here it is. It is for $29,900. And where is it at? It's in Palomito, Florida. All right, and this is also in Yacht World. Yes, this is Yacht World. Not advertising for Yacht World, none of that. I'm just saying this is where I found this boat at. 35 foot. It looks nice. Look at it. It's sitting beautifully sitting there in that water. That's actually a beautiful looking boat. All right, let's get into this boat here. All right, here it is, all docked up. Ah, yes. Look, you got your anchor sitting right here. Yes, it's got your lines all across here for safety. Yes. Is that a whisker pole? Is that what they call it, a whisker pole? So when you're selling wing on wing, when you're selling wing on wing down, yeah, I think that's a whisker pole for that. That's awesome. Look how clean it is. Look how clean it is. It's just clean. That's a clean boat. I like it. I like it. I like it. Look how clean it is inside. So he's been taking care of this. Yeah, he's been taking care of it. I see some of the wood stuff. You gotta treat it right. I mean, you're out in the salt water, so you gotta actually treat it right. You got that looks like where you start the engine at. Let's see. And here's the cockpit area. All right, and here you go. You got some Raymarine instrumentation here. You got your compass, of course. Yes. Oh, yes. There's your compass. Looking good. Nice and shiny. I love a nice shiny compass. You know what I'm saying? I love a nice shiny compass. Compass. And here's a chain locker. And I always wonder about these chain lockers. Why don't you just have a big bucket down in that chain locker? So when the chain goes in, it goes into the bucket instead of into the locker itself and get it all gummy and scumpy and all that kind of stuff. Then when you let the chain out, you can take the bucket out and clean it out and put it back in there. I have to think of that. Nope, he already got it. But anyway, that's what I would do. And here's the anchor all hooked up here. This looks like it's fairly new or well carefully kept. Okay, yes, well kept. I think that's really cool. Okay, and then here we go. We got some storage here as you go down into the saloon area. And yes, some controls here. Yes, as I'm saying again, you just got some tender love and care. Some little TLC on everything. Clean it up. Looking good. Here's the light panel here. Some electrical stuff here. It's the autopilot. You can turn that on. You can turn on all these things for lights, bridge lights, anchor lights. Yes, and foredeck lights and main cabin lights. And yes, you got all kinds of instruments sitting here. And this is right underneath the stairs. If you look, this is the stairs. All right. And here, this is kind of unusual because the parlor, okay, I'm calling it a parlor. But if you got the kitchen right here, and then in the bow of the boat, where there's usually a cabin right here, this is where you sit at the table. This, I haven't seen this. I have not seen a layout like this. That's interesting. So this must be the restaurant, the head door right here. But this is the kitchen area because this looks like a freezer. And then it looks like the stove is right here because that looks like a pot handle. Okay, so it's 35 foot. I'd have to really get into this and look at it. I don't know if this is a heater right here. This could be a heating stove right here. Could be a heating stove. I'm not sure. So let's see. Is there any way I can get closer? Interesting. Okay. But yes, and then you got port lights here on both sides. You got storage here and here and here. Got storage in there, storage around the sides, storage up in the front. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be storage up under the cushions here. So you got plenty of storage here and there. Storage in the cabinet tops. So yes, and then here is the galley. And here's the staircase that we was talking about earlier. And here is some more storage here. Storage up above. Storage here. And this, yeah, this is, I don't know, but this 35 foot made it look, I see 36 footers, 30 something footers, but they always look a lot larger. Okay, so this right here, this is on this side, on the port side of the port side. I want to say port, but that's probably wrong. It's probably the starboard. This port is on, this is the starboard side of the boat, because that's the rear. Okay, starboard side of the boat. There's nothing to get back into there on this side of the boat. So I'm curious. I'm just curious. All right. And you got probably a propane stove. Propane. And then you got your little station here, but this looks like a freezer. The freezer right here. I think this is over also on the same side. Okay. Well, oh no, I know what that is. This is where the head is on this side. The head is right here. Yeah, okay, this is where the head is. So, all right. All right, so it's got a little setup going on there. Got a little chair to pull out. And here is the head. And you got a little pump section here for your toilet. And it's probably looks like a wet head. All right, so this is interesting, to say the least. Okay. How come this is looking all backwards to me with this shot? This looks like those light switches we were talking about under the staircase. But there was no access to this because the kitchen was right there. Unless I'm turned around. I don't know. I have to look at it deeper and harder. And then you got this section here. So I'm still saying this is in the aft section, the stern of the boat. And then here's another panel. With the same little red light right there. Wait, let's go back. Wait, red light. How does the red light on this side you got? Oh wait, they picked this up. Let's see, did he pick that up? Aha, he did, I think. Whoops, too far back. Yes. Okay, so this is the side. Okay. Whew, got me all mixed up here. He picked up the carpet, picked up the cushions, because these two are here. The fan is here, and there's a little red light. Okay, and there's that little door there. And then we picked the cushion up. This is access to, I won't say the engine. This could be access to the engine on over here. But yes, this is okay. This all right. Now I'm oriented right. All right, and then here's your engine. Okay. Whew. Shoot. I had to go in here and find out what this is. I forgot what make this was. I know a lot of you veterans can look right at it and tell exactly what it is and everything that goes with it. So my goodness, here it is. And I got a 30 amp battery charger. So there's there's a little bit of solar on there on this boat. So you got a charger, solar charger, and then plus you got probably a alternator to charge also. And this is it when it's outside of the water. Look at that. It's clean. I mean, the lines are clean. I really like that he took so much good care of this. Of course, there's no... Okay. Oh, here. Oh, this is the 3-blade propeller. Is that a propeller? 3-blade propeller. All right, so you got that there, and it's a shaft driven. Okay, so it's not a, yeah, but it's not that. It's shaft driven. It's shaft driven. Oh goodness. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I wonder why it doesn't have that big old bulb down here. This thing is that heavy. I always think you gotta have that big old bulb down here to keep it from flipping over. But I got to do some more research on that. So if you have any comments on that one, please leave me some comments on that. I really appreciate that. Oh yes, okay. There, here's your ladder, swim ladder to get up to this inside. That's cool. There's a rear anchor here, so you got an anchor at the stern. Okay, that's awesome. And there it is. Look at that. I'm serious. It's got some nice lines. It's sitting beautifully in the water. Yes, it is. It's sitting very beautifully in the water. Yeah, there's a lot about this I'd have to go see and make sure. I mean, really look at it because, like I say, it's a beautiful boat. But then when you get in, it looks really smaller than it looks from the outside. So, yes. So, yes, so here we have it. We have a 1981 CNC Landfall 35 footer. Yep, for $29,000. And there's some contact information if you want to go get this. It looks like it suits you. There's some contact information right there for you, okay? So, thank you so much for coming and watching this. And I will be looking at another boat here shortly. So, stay tuned. I will post it shortly. So, thank you so much for coming. This is Searching for the Dream. See you later.